Friends, what is your favorite thing to do on a rainy day? Drop it down in the comments and let me know. I got all wet. That water is all in my boots. Brings me back to childhood though. Seeing whose pants were the wettest at school was the cool thing to do. Go figure, kids. Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So this morning I went out for my morning chores all ready. I had my jacket on, I had my gloves on, I was prepared. And you know what I walked out into? 70-degree weather. Crazy warm with a warm breeze. And I realized we have that storm coming. Everywhere in Kentucky they have tornado warnings. We're in eastern Kentucky where we have a lot of hills and mountains, so we should not be getting any tornadoes, but we are expected to get heavy rain and lots of heavy wind. And the rain has just started. So I will bring you along throughout the day as this storm comes through and see what kind of weather we will be getting here on the homestead. Okay, so no, it's not cold, but it is raining. And I need to go lock up some of these barn doors because of the heavy winds. I don't need them ripping off any of my doors. So I am gonna go close for sure the pups, their door, because it's already swinging. Woo. Alright, that should take care of that for right now. Alright, now I'm gonna head down to the big barn and secure those doors. I'm not gonna close them, but I am gonna secure them. You know what? I'm actually gonna go ahead and close them. The chickens are all inside. I'll leave their one door open so they can come out if they want to later, but I'm gonna go ahead and close these big doors. Alright, everybody's locked up in here. I left the main chicken door open, that way when it stops raining they can go out that way if they want to. But for the most part, all of the chickens were here inside. Whew. It is really coming down. Whew. Really coming down. Just think, just last week we were dealing with below zero temperatures, and now we are in 70-degree weather, pouring rain, and tons of wind. We are having a crazy winter for sure over here. Woo! I wish there was a way to tell exactly what kind of winds we are dealing with right now. But the amount of rain coming down, I'm already seeing flooding starting, and it's only been, what, 5-10 minutes? We have a gauge right there that will tell us how much rain we are having. So I will check that periodically to see what the rain looks like. And already it said we had 1/4 inch of rain just in, what, 10 minutes? Whew. All right, I'm going back inside. All right, friends, the rain has died down some, so we're gonna go out for our walk. We usually like going out for walks after rains just to kind of check on the property and see if there's anything that we need to be focusing on that puddles, or if there's anything that, you know, we just need to look at and possibly fix. So let me know down in the comments what it is like in your neck of the woods right now. We've been dealing, like I told you, with the freezing cold weather, below zero temperatures, to now 70-degree weather, and after this rain it has died down to probably about 60 degrees, so it did drop that temperature. So go ahead and drop that down in the comments, what is going on where you're at right now. I really do enjoy walking the property after a rain because I love listening to the sound of the trickling of the water coming down off the mountains. Also the creek fills up with water and you can finally hear it actually going. It's a beautiful, beautiful sound. And then you got the birds in the background. I love the rain. A lot of people don't like rain. I absolutely love the rain. I don't like driving in rain, but I could sit outside and watch the rain fall, listen to it. When it's warm enough outside, I will leave my windows cracked so that I can hear the rain falling at night. Absolutely beautiful.
So this is what I was thinking too. Like, see how far away that tree is from that line?
Oh yeah.
So we could put a row of trees here,
trees.
Fruit trees this way.
We might not be able to do like the last one that we have right there.
Yeah.
Or else we can't get by with the side-by-side.
Well, yeah, the side-by-side will be here. So yeah, we'd bring it in or just not have one at that
That
first
one. Yeah.
From that second one over, we can go and add some more fruit trees.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Starting back up again. Cutting our trip short because we forgot the umbrella. Like I told you to grab.
I forgot that.
Can't get the camera wet. All right, friends, attempt number 2 to go out when it's just lightly sprinkling. This time hubby remembered the umbrella, so I don't have to run back to the house for fear of getting the camera wet. All this that you see right here are all brambles that we need to get out because behind it is our fence line, and we want to be able to see our fence line because we want to be able to get up that mountain right there. And the only way we can get up that mountain is because previous owners said there is a trail that we can take to get up that mountain. But let me show you what this trail looks like. Okay, excuse the barking. We are next to our neighbor's house. But here is our supposed trail. And you can't see it because it's covered in brambles and just all kinds of weeds and stuff. So this is what we need to get in here and start cutting down. So that way we can see the trail that is there. So hopefully we can get the side-by-side or the ATV up this mountain to the top up there, which then can take us to the very top of our other side of the mountain. So we will see. Goals, goals, goals. All of this right here is more part of our property, but you can't see because of how bad the brambles and the weeds are. So we want to get in here and cut this all out as well. It's definitely a jungle in there, but I love the sound of the creek right now. Okay, so it started raining a little bit more, so I got the umbrella now. Let me see if I can find a good spot where I can show you the creek, how much it has rose over just a few hours of it raining. It was hardly going at all. It is so dirty though. All of the trash from up the holler comes down this way and it ends up stuck in our part of the creek. So we gotta get down there and clean that out as well. So many projects, so much time. Our Christmas trees are doing really well and they are getting well watered with this rain. Come on, mamas. Come on, my little breezes. All right, friends, so the rain is starting to come down a little bit more, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just like